Nobody enjoys unwanted guests like mice, bedbugs, or other pests in their home. Ever experienced mechanical problems with heat, plumbing, or electricity? How about flooding, broken windows, or appliances? Welcome to the Office of Residential Tenancies. In this video, we're looking at repairs and pests. So exactly who is responsible for dealing with repairs or pests during a tenancy? Landlords and tenants each have rights and responsibilities that needs to be respected. Depending on the situation, one or both may be responsible for correcting the situation. A tenancy agreement is a contract. The tenant agrees to pay rent, and the landlord agrees to provide and maintain a habitable place for the tenant to live. It is the landlord's responsibility to deal with pests and repairs because they have agreed to maintain the property. Landlords may be liable to compensate tenants if the landlord does not maintain the property. Although tenants have the right to a habitable place to live, they are responsible for problems that they cause, or for failing to cooperate with the landlord's efforts to correct them. Good communication reduces problems. Tenants should immediately report issues to their landlord, and landlords should encourage early reporting before the problems get worse. For clear communication, put requests in writing. List what needs to be repaired or what actions need to be carried out and when they need to be completed. If there is a dispute, tenants must not withhold rent while waiting for repairs to be completed. Unpaid rent is grounds for eviction. Instead, both tenants and landlords may apply to the ORT. Either party may be ordered to carry out repairs. Tenants may have their rent reduced or be awarded money if the hearing officer finds that repairs are needed or pests are present. The landlord may defend a claim on the basis that the tenant caused the problem. If the tenant caused the problem, they may be ordered to pay for all or part of the cost to fix the problem. Again, though, a simple conversation can go a long way. For more information, visit our website at www.saskatchewan.ca/ORT.